Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another unboxing and review. We've finally done it, we finally hit 500 subscribers, and as most of you might know, that I've always stated that every 100 subscribers we hit on the channel, we will do a Thomas and Friends ERTL diecast unboxing and review. Unfortunately, we hit 500 subscribers so fast, and we've even surpassed that to the point we're about to hit 600, that I don't have an ERTL to unbox for you guys. I'm going to have to go out and look for one. Ideally, I've got some in pristine condition. I would never open them. It's always got to be something that's a little bit tatty. The packaging, at least, is a little bit roughed for me to justify opening it. And I've got nothing like that at the moment. So I've got nothing to unbox for you guys. But I thought, do you know what? I've got to unbox something just to acknowledge 500 subscribers. And for the fact we're nearly hitting 600, thank you so much if you hit that button. But yeah, I thought we would try something different. And just as a whim, I actually got a second one for Christmas. I've had this for about 4 years now. No, 5 years. God, 5 years. I've had this for 5 years, and I got a new one for Christmas, which was in very poor condition, but still in the packaging. So today, we're going to be unboxing the Diamond Anniversary Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Push-Along, celebrating 75 years of Thomas. It's not ERTL, guys, but it's something, and it's the first Trackmaster that's ever going to be on the channel, so little bit of milestone. So let's do this.
Platform 8 for the 22:28
So yeah, there is the Diamond Anniversary Thomas Trackmaster Push-Along exclusive for you guys. I can't believe the franchise is turning 75 years. Well, I say 75 years. This came out in 2020, so we are actually almost looking to the 80th now. And I can't wait to see what they do for the 80th. I'd really like them to bring back some nostalgia lines. I mean, even if they could just do a one-off in terms of diecast, like an ERTL, or just something like that, would really, really be nice. But, you know, that's just me coming from the 90s, and obviously things move with the times, and obviously here with Trackmaster, which resonates with a lot of people, and I can understand that. It's not the classic Trackmaster, it's the push-along, but it still resonates with a lot of people. And when they did release the 75th anniversary line, it was a little bit disappointing. They actually didn't do too much merchandise in terms of celebrating Thomas's Diamond Anniversary, but they did release a few bits, and this is one of the things I actually got. It's the only thing I got because it was the only thing that I thought, well, okay, and the only thing I actually saw in store. So I actually got this from the Entertainer here in the UK, and you might be looking at that thinking, well, you're contradicting yourself. You can't unbox that. It's in pristine condition. I have no intention of unboxing that, but like I said, if you were paying attention at the beginning, I actually got gifted one for Christmas. So this actually came off the website Temu, and if you actually can see, the packaging is actually shocking. Guttingly, it is actually a Japanese. It looks like a Japanese or a Chinese variant, so I'm a little bit gutted. The packaging is a little bit ruined, because I would actually have liked to have kept this and just had a little variant, because I'm quite into that sort of keeping variants in different countries. Unfortunately, it's a bit ruined. So this is going to be our unboxing. So let's go in for a closer look and get Thomas out the packaging. So there is the Diamond Anniversary for you guys. So yeah, first things first, I will say the face, even though I'm not a fan of the animated series, I will admit that actually looks like a really, really well modelled face for this type of model. And obviously you've got the classic coupling there that we would normally find in these Trackmaster models. Now it actually almost looks like a translucent sort of chassis you've got there, like a nice dark blue, and then you've also got translucent, nice sort of crystallised baby blue wheels there, which actually look quite nice. Now you've sort of got this metallic sort of looking lining, diamonds I want to say, over it, and then you've got the 75th anniversary logo there on top of the cab, which really looks nice. I'll just show you the back of the packaging. So obviously you've got other characters within the line. I want to say Nia, obviously you've got Percy, you've got Harold. I have no idea who the hell that is, the fourth person there. Like I said, I don't watch this series, but it's just something to acknowledge the anniversary. And then yeah, obviously you've got all this information down here. Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends, based on the Railway series, created by Brit Allcraft, made in Thailand, Mattel East Asia Limited. Now that's quite interesting. And like I say, it was made in 2020 and produced and distributed by Fisher Price. So yeah, interesting model. I'm quite curious to see what it looks like out of the packaging. So what I think we need to do is get it unboxed and go in for a closer look. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get Thomas unboxed. So there is Thomas, that was fairly easy. So yeah, I mean in terms of the face, straight away I think the face is very, very good. I mean in terms of the CGI face from what I've seen, that is amazing. Now obviously you've got the sort of dark blue there chassis and the dark blue running board, and of course obviously you've got the sort of almost like the, I want to say, icicle sort of see-through blue wheels there, which are quite nice. You've got the classic coupling from what I have seen in terms of the push along Thomas. Now you've got sort of like this metallic plastic wrap around the Thomas, which is actually very, very nice, and it's almost like a crystallized sort of like triangle crystal blue colour. Now obviously on top there, that looks really, really nice. You've got the water tacks again that have done in a different colour, almost like a baby blue colour, and you've got the 75th anniversary logo, which is actually really, really nice, and it's black again as well, and silver, which I think works perfectly. And overall this is actually done to a very, very nice standard. This isn't really what I actually was expecting in terms of this model. I mean, even to the point you've got wrapped buffers there. I don't know if you can see that, but you've got wrapped buffers in terms of the colour. And like I said, I really wasn't actually expecting this. The back again, you've got wrapped buffers, and you've got that nice crystallised sort of like metallic wrapped finish again. Overall, I'm fairly impressed by this model. I'm definitely glad I've got one out of the box and inside the box, because I've always looked at this thinking how much of a quality can it be, and now I've got one to actually unbox. It's fairly decent. It's actually really fairly decent. Trackmaster push along, it's not something I would normally go for, and like I say, it's only purely for the fact it was the 75th anniversary of the model. But I'm pleasantly surprised that I'm glad I've got one in the packaging and out the packaging. I mean, the ERTL range, you know, I'm a classic fan, a massive fan of that, back from the 90s. But, you know, this is quite a nice substitute. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to pop him down, and obviously we'll get a few closer shots of the 75th anniversary Thomas. So that has been our Thomas and Friends Diamond Anniversary Trackmaster Push Along unboxing and review. I really hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please consider giving us a like, comment down below, and subscribe what you think of the model. And of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks guys.